Hi everyone, it's Camille. Now that a lot of people are working from home, most meetings are taking place on the computer instead of in person. So the burning question I have is, if people are only seeing us from here up, do we really need to wear pants?
Oh my God, I wanted to talk about this.
I haven't worn pants in 3 months.
I am not going to tell you right now if I am wearing pants.
No, you cannot do that. You must wear pants.
Zoom call. The person was wearing a dress shirt. They went to go grab something and I was scarred because Tom Cruise from Risky Business was happening. Tidy whities. And I'm like, what are you doing?
Clearly, we're all still getting used to it. But I just want to make sure I'm doing this whole video conferencing thing right.
Just in general, make sure that you're in a quiet area.
You're looking for lighting. You're looking for the right angles.
I've seen a lot of people do this one. This isn't a great angle because it makes me look like a potato. You can't even see my cool hair. Now this is just right. So if I'm new to this, are there any certain rules I should keep in mind?
If you're new to a company, ask how they proceed with the meetings. If there's some kind of methodology to show that you want to speak, do they do speaker or gallery view? Is everyone going to mute themselves besides the speaker?
The mute button, use it. If you're not talking, be on mute because everybody can hear you.
So I know how important body language is in person, but is there anything I should keep in mind for video calls?
If you're kind of slumpy or, look a little uncomfortable, that's body language. It applies the same way it might apply in the real world.
It's important to appear really engaged, be sitting up straight, looking straight at the camera.
Center yourself, get close, be legible.
One little secret I have, get these little googly eyes and actually just paste them right up here so your eyes have something to go to.
What about backgrounds? That's embarrassing.
Having a nice, clean background is important.
What is in this little square? This is what matters. This could be like a hot mess.
Right outside of this frame is catastrophe. We're not going to get into that.
There's a pair of crutches over there.
Just sticking a plant in the corner makes a huge difference.
If someone's got plants, okay, I see you all responsible.
I have my bookshelf. You have to have an awesome bookshelf game for Zoom.
If you have a bookshelf, I'm like, yo, that person is smart.
Tyler, you have to grab something from the kitchen.
Yeah.
Is it snacks? Yeah. Oh shoot, I wasn't on mute.
If things go wrong, embrace the truth. Chances are everybody can see it. The classic example, there was an expert being interviewed on cable news and his 3-year-old daughter busts into the room and she's like, ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. And then the baby comes in and then this woman panicking comes in to pull them out and the guy just pretends it's not happening. Think about if he had embraced that, if he had then introduced the world to his children, he'd be like a hero.
Find a quiet spot with good lighting and angles. If you're not speaking, use the mute button. Don't be afraid to ask about company or team policies. Sit up straight and look engaged, and make sure that your background looks professional. I hope these hacks make your video calls as smooth as possible. And I know it's a lot to remember, so don't worry if you make a mistake. Just take it in stride and have a good sense of humor.